Hello guys, today we are here to share with you an amazing and delicious recipe. But then we want to introduce a new game on this show, and then I hope you are going to love it. You are going to like it. So it goes like, if every video we make, we are going to ask a question, and the question will be that what will be the health benefit of one of the ingredients we use in making the food or in making the recipe. So today's question is going to be what is the health benefit of onion. So when you eat onion, what does onion do to your body? What health benefits, what nutrients do you get from onion? So that's the question. If you know the correct answer to the question, please pin it in the comment section, and we're going to give you a shout out. The first 3 people, we're going to give you a shout out. So that is it. And then today's recipe is rice balls and peanut butter soup. So it's a Ghanaian recipe, and we call it omutuo and nkate. So it's a delicious recipe, and it's a Sunday special recipe. Today is Sunday, so Sunday special recipe, and that's what we're going to do. But before I forget, if today is your first time, you are so welcome. You're going to have so much fun on this channel, because now we're going to introduce some new tips, new things, and so you're definitely going to enjoy it and have fun. So let's begin. Come, stay tuned, and then let's begin with the cooking.